Initially, I assumed that making glass from sand was quite complex, but observing the glass production process, I found it truly intricate. Glass isn't made from regular sand, but rather high-purity quartz sand, which differs from ordinary sand due to its uniform strength distribution. This ensures even melting and mixing during production. To compose glass, quartz sand accounts for about 70% of the materials. Moreover, 15% is soda ash, 10% is limestone, and 5% consists of other auxiliary substances. However, these ratios can change based on glass type and use. Before manufacturing, the sand undergoes crushing, screening, and drying to boost purity. It's then weighed and mixed proportionately. These mixed materials are fed into a melting furnace, where alternating flames elevate the temperature to around 1600 degrees. At this heat, the materials gradually melt and chemically react, forming a honey-like viscous glass liquid. In the next step of the process, the float-forming method is commonly used in modern glass manufacturing. This method uses liquid tin as a medium, allowing molten glass to flow uniformly on the surface of the liquid tin, forming a smooth glass surface. At this point, rollers at the top of the machine stretch the molten glass to the desired width and thickness before sending it into a cooling channel to lower the temperature further. While the glass has initially formed, it still needs to be sent to an annealing kiln for annealing and cooling to balance the internal stress of the glass. If the cooling speed is too fast, the glass will easily shatter during subsequent cutting. After annealing and cooling, the glass sheet is ready to be sent to the cutting machine, where it is sliced into the required sizes using diamond tools. The leftover scraps from cutting are not wasted, they are returned to the furnace for remelting. Finally, the finished glass is packaged and shipped to where it's needed. Note that the above describes only the process of making glass sheets, not the common glass products we see in daily life. So how are the glass products we see every day made? Actually, the initial production process is basically the same as that of glass panels. The difference lies in the forming stage of the glass. For example, in producing glass bottles, liquid glass is directly dropped into a mold, then compressed air is injected through a blowing method to fill and compress the liquid glass into shape, resulting in the common glass bottles we see. Additionally, some glass artworks are crafted through the method of hand blowing. Artisans use exquisite techniques to blow glass into various shapes, adding more artistic value and visual appeal to glass products. However, this production method is relatively more challenging. Follow Sange for more interesting knowledge.